Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I am here to share with you this incredibly smelling candle from Wax and Wit, the urban candle company. Now, this little baby, this one in particular is Jasmine Sandalwood. The best part, I believe, about this is the fact that you know it's not got a whole ton of bad stuff for you, gross stuff. It's a soy candle. Soy candles have been super popular lately, and the wood wick is a little bit different. Now this one here is very wide and I love it. Now I did, it was very easy to initially light, so that was awesome. But the fact is that the scent is so ethereal. It is light and fresh, but that it's very earthy vibes with the Jasmine and Sandalwood. I know that all of the scents are going to be incredible because they truly don't smell synthetic, and I love that. I want the real deal when I'm buying a candle. So for me, the crackling aspect just gives it that extra bit of atmosphere that, you know, it's a really good aroma. I honestly love it. I know you will too, and that's my point of view.